Sparkling water has gained popularity as a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. Many wonder, can it help with weight loss? There is some evidence to suggest a link. A 2020 study published in BMJ Nutrition, Prevention and Health found that drinking sparkling water before meals may slightly increase feelings of fullness. This can potentially lead to reduced calorie intake. However, it's crucial to remember that sparkling water alone won't magically melt away pounds. Sparkling water is calorie-free and sugar-free. This makes it a much better choice than soda or juice, which are loaded with empty calories. Replacing sugary drinks with sparkling water can significantly reduce your daily sugar intake. This simple swap can contribute to weight management over time. The carbonation in sparkling water can also play a role in promoting a feeling of fullness. The bubbles expand in your stomach, signaling to your brain that you've consumed something. This can temporarily reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. While sparkling water can be a helpful tool in a weight loss journey, it's not a magic solution. It's essential to adopt a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise for sustainable weight management. What happens when you drink sparkling water? The carbon dioxide in sparkling water dissolves into your bloodstream. This process can have a few effects on your body. It can slightly lower your blood pH, making it a bit more acidic. This effect is temporary and not harmful. In fact, it's what gives sparkling water its characteristic tangy taste. Some people believe that the carbon dioxide in sparkling water can boost metabolism. The theory including your metabolism. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can aid in weight management. Water plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. These include regulating body temperature and transporting nutrients. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism can slow down, potentially hindering weight loss efforts. Sparkling water can be a refreshing and flavorful way to stay hydrated. The bubbles can make it more appealing than plain water for some people. This can encourage them to drink more fluids throughout the day. The feeling of fullness provided by sparkling water can be particularly helpful for those trying to manage their calorie intake. By drinking sparkling water between meals or before a meal, you can curb cravings and prevent overeating. This can contribute to a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Remember, while sparkling water can support your weight loss efforts, it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate regular exercise and a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for optimal results. Consistency is key when it comes to weight management.